Welcome to Untitled Education. Today we will be studying about limits and continuity. Limits and continuity is the first chapter if a person desires to study calculus. So, let us understand what is a limit. Firstly, a limit of a function is denoted like this. Limit x tending to a function of x, that is f of x, is equal to L. Here, if f of x wants to attain a value closer to L, then x has to approach or tend towards a value closer to a. I believe that once if we start solving the problems, the concept will be more clear. So the first method that we will be learning under limits and continuity is the direct substitution method. Direct substitution method is the easiest method of them all. But direct substitution method cannot be used if you get your answer in an indeterminate form. That is 0 divided by 0, infinity or not defined divided by not defined, infinity minus infinity, 0 to the power of infinity. If you get your answer in either of these four forms, then they are indeterminate forms, and then you cannot use direct substitution method. There are different methods to be used that we will be seeing in the preceding videos. As of now, let's start solving problems using direct substitution method. So let's take down a problem. Limit x tending to 1, the function as given, x square plus 6x plus 4. Now, as the name suggests, direct substitution means whatever is the value of x has to be directly substituted in the function. Here, the value of x is equal to 1. So, wherever you have x in the function, you have to put 1. So, this will be 1 square plus 6 into 1 plus 4, which is 1 plus 6 plus 4, which equals to 11. So, under your direct substitution method, you have to substitute the value towards which x is tending in your function. Let's take another question. In this question, x is tending to 4. Therefore, in your function, wherever you have x, you need to substitute that with 4. So, 4 into 4 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2, which equals 16 plus 3 divided by 2, 19 divided by 2. Let's take another question. Limit x tending to 1 and the function ax square plus bx plus c divided by a plus bx plus cx square. Over here, x is tending to 1. So wherever you have x in the function, that needs to be substituted with 1. Let's start solving. So a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c divided by a plus b into 1 plus c into 1 square. This is a plus b plus c divided by a plus b plus c, which is equal to 1. So basically, direct substitution method means whatever the value x is tending towards, you need to substitute that in the given function. This will be a concluding problem for you to gain better understanding. Limit x tending to 4, x cube plus 4 divided by 1 minus x. Here, x is tending towards 4. So wherever you have x, substitute it with 4. 4 cube plus 4 divided by 1 minus 4. 64 plus 4 divided by minus 3 minus 68 divided by 3 is your answer. So one thing that you notice over here is that your answers are not in indeterminate form. If you get an answer which is in indeterminate form, you need to move on to the preceding methods that we will see in the next video. Hope you like this video. Please watch the next video for gaining better insight in this topic. Thank you.